All right, may not look like it now. It was actually nice weather there where Samantha was, but it's a storm alert weather day here. Let's get to meteorologist Cedric Haynes in Studio B. Cedric, looking out there right now, you can see more of those clouds, and it was nice where Samantha was, so glad they were able to get those games in. But tell us about what we can expect here later on today.
Yeah, Latrice, it's kind of interesting because we've got a mixture of sun and clouds out there now, very similar to where Samantha is, but we all have to keep an eye on the radar, both there and here for this afternoon for showers and thunderstorms to pop up. So right now, look at the temperatures. It's 81 degrees in Chattanooga, still in the 70s area wide, but we're going to continue to climb as we go throughout the day. We'll go low 80s for everybody at about 1 p.m., but still looking mainly dry. As we get towards 4, 5, 6 o'clock in the evening, that's when I think we're going to start to see isolated to scattered thunderstorms beginning to pop up out there with temperatures climbing into the 80s. So that's when we want you to be weather aware. Let's get to the weather map. Again, right now we've got this mixture of clouds and sunshine, but we'll call it filtered sunshine out there. We have had a couple of rumbles of thunder and some rain north of I-40 this morning up towards Knoxville and into eastern Kentucky. That's closer to this boundary that's slowly been oozing our way, and there's more energy off to the west. You can really see the weather set up here, right? We've got this piece of energy moving by to our north. We've got another piece of energy here near Memphis. That's what's going to impact us as we go towards this afternoon, sparking showers and storms. More energy coming out of Texas. So that means tomorrow we'll have the same pattern, and that pattern sticks around through the weekend. And then we've got a larger storm system that's going to move in as we get towards our Sunday, giving us even a more significant risk of severe weather. So let's time it all out for you with Futurecast. Again, a mixture of sun and clouds out there now. As we get towards 3, 4 o'clock, we can start to see a couple of these isolated showers and downpours popping up. Notice we'll see more of those isolated showers and thunderstorms as we get towards 5, 6, 7 o'clock in the evening. So this is when we can see an isolated strong storm with damaging winds and maybe some hail coming out of those storms. So that's why we want you to be weather aware. That'll start to fade out as we go throughout tonight to just some scattered showers and rumbles. Even through the overnight hours, we'll at least have that chance. And then as we go into tomorrow morning, could start out with a spotty shower or two, but notice as we get into the afternoon hours, it doesn't look like much, just an isolated storm or two. And then as we get into the evening hours on Friday, it starts to blossom again. So we're going to have these little waves that are going to move by, and they're going to produce the chances of scattered showers and thunderstorms each and every afternoon. So today, a low level risk of 1 out of 5 for the Tennessee Valley, the highest severe weather threat off to our west, but still we've got that level 1 risk for that potential of some damaging winds and some hail out there. And this pattern, again, is going to repeat itself. So today, storm alert weather day from 3 till 10 o'clock this evening for, again, those damaging winds up to 60 miles per hour and that small to medium sized hail. Not really a tornado setup, so I'm not too concerned with that for us today. Notice as we go into your Friday, more of the same, a low level 1 risk here in the Tennessee Valley for a couple of strong, maybe a severe storm with the greatest severe weather threat off to our west. And that pattern repeats itself right on into your Saturday. So a couple of active days heading our way with another chance of a low level risk of a strong storm or two and the higher severe weather threat off to our west. But I do want to let you know that next system moves our way by Sunday, and the severe weather threat does ramp up along with all modes of severe weather being possible. So you'll notice here as we get towards your Sunday into Sunday night, things from damaging winds, even tornadoes, hail, and flooding, all will be possible with that threat. So yes, a higher severe weather threat area-wide by the time we get towards Sunday. But for your Memorial Day weekend, warm and humid, and yes, we're going to be dodging periods of scattered showers and storms, so have a plan B in the back pocket there just in case. But notice after we get past this system, the pattern flips. Below average temperatures move our way, and look what happens on the muggy meter. Shoo, look at those dew points in the 30s and 40s. That means some folks could see those overnight lows dipping into the 40s. But storm alert weather day for your Thursday for those afternoon scattered showers and storms. Likely will be another one Friday, Saturday, and definitely probably on Sunday, maybe even Memorial Day. But things look to improve, Latrice, by next week.